All right, we have so many incredible folks here at today's Popcorn with a Program event that I'm back live to introduce you to the Makerspace, which is a really cool resource at Pima Community College. And so I'm going to turn the camera around so that this fabulous staff member can introduce themselves and tell you more about what the Makerspace does. So let me get turned and go ahead, tell us who you are and what you do.
Hi, I'm Christine Sliga. I'm a librarian with Pima, and we at the library also have a Makerspace, which is out at East Campus, and I'm overseeing the Makerspace out there. We are a free space for students to use. You can come and use us, and anything you make in our space, you can get for free. We have 3D printers, we have laser cutters, we have sewing machines, soldering station, Cricut machines that cut paper and vinyl transfer, and just a whole raft of other types of craft items that you can come in and use. We have workshops that we schedule. You can see that on our website. We also have drop-in availability, so we're open Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and our very helpful and handy technicians who are on site can help you learn how to use a 3D printer, or learn how to use a laser cutter, or learn how to use a sewing machine. And once again, we are a free resource for all Pima students, so please come visit us.
That's awesome. So they don't need to have prior experience using any of those tools. They can come in completely first time using them and get those skills and figure it out?
Absolutely, absolutely. And it's actually not as hard as it might seem to people who've never done it before. So yes, please come by and tap into our resource and use us to learn how to use any of these creative print.
Awesome. And so if they have an idea in mind of what they want to create, they can come in, or those workshops will sometimes have dedicated projects already set?
They will. So for instance, last month we did a crochet workshop where we did origami, little animals. We did also a podcasting workshop, it was an introduction to podcasting. Today and yesterday we're doing introduction to resin printing, so we have all kinds of things on our schedule. And for the end of the semester, from the 4th to the 7th of December, we're having a pre-final study break. So we have the ability to come in and do some relaxing crafting with us to kind of get rid of that
de-stress. Yeah.
Exactly. So we have snow globes that you can make and ornaments that you can make at our
Very cool. So here on the table are some samples of what can be made at the Makerspace, correct?
Yes. So those are 3D printed. That's a 3D printed mushroom right there.
Fun.
And this is a 3D printer. So this is our mobile 3D printer.
Nice.
And this is another T2 head that we have. This is one of our little articulated.
Oh, so fun.
And then these types of things are things that were laser cut. So this was cut on the laser wood and then engraved. And then also this is acrylic that we also. And all those materials, these are stuff we have on hand, so you don't have to purchase any more.
Oh, that's incredible. So you have the tools as well as the materials available.
Exactly.
Awesome. So this is the contact information to follow up with the Makerspace. Again, this particular resource is located at East Campus, but as you heard mentioned earlier from the Computer Aided Design Program, they have classes that they're starting and that they're working on related to 3D printing. And so if you want a taste of it, maybe see if that's of interest to you before you sign up for the class, the Makerspace is a great way to just go play, be creative, and use your imagination. And then also this QR code, where's that going to take them to?
It'll take them to the website that we have.
Perfect. Awesome. So yeah, check that out online, or if you're able to, come on down to downtown campus outside the Advanced Manufacturing Building. The event is happening until 1 o'clock, but if we can't see you then, enjoy this information and the other live streams I'm about to pop up and show you to introduce you to the other resources. Till then, keep striving.